Sending a voice phone call from NinjaTrader with Triage messaging.
Let's go to the NinjaTrader Control Center and edit an indicator. I'm adding a single line of code to NinjaTrader with my phone number and the message I want to send. Now I'm adding the indicator with my messaging code into a chart. My indicator is now running in this chart of Apple computers. Now a voice phone message is being sent from NinjaTrader to my cell phone. In just a few seconds, a voice call reaches my cell phone.
Critical alert. You just received a voice phone call from NinjaTrader.
Triage messaging is easy to use, reliable, and keeps you connected to your trading platform 24 hours a day. Sending a SMS message from NinjaTrader with Triage messaging. I'm adding to my messaging code a SMS service parameter. Let's compile the indicator and add it to a chart. Please be aware that the maximum length for an SMS message is 140 characters. As soon as my indicator runs, an SMS message is sent from NinjaTrader to my cell phone. You never have to deal with any odd setups, email to SMS relays, or slow networks. Triage messaging. Easy to use, global coverage in over 200 countries and 80 networks, and always available. Instant messaging with NinjaTrader. Sending an IM from NinjaTrader to your desktop. I'm going to be sending instant messages from my NinjaTrader over 5 different IM networks. You're probably familiar with these popular IMs: AOL, ICQ, Gtalk, Yahoo, and MSN. Let's start by adding 5 lines of code, 1 for each instant messenger. For each line, I enter 3 parameters: the IM service, the destination, and the message text. Instant messaging networks are fast, efficient, and best of all, free. You get streaming messages from your NinjaTrader across the internet directly to yourself, your colleagues, or your target audience. As soon as our messages are sent from NinjaTrader, we start receiving them at our instant messaging desktop applications. It usually takes just a few seconds for your first messages to arrive. After this initial connection from your NinjaTrader to the instant messaging networks, messages stream over the internet instantaneously, often in less than a second. Triage messaging IM keeps you, the trader, always connected in real time. Sending an IM from NinjaTrader to your internet browser. In this example, we're going to be using Meebo, an online instant messaging service. In Meebo, I have added our 5 IM services. Now we add a few lines of messaging code and then hit compile. Meebo allows you to integrate all your IM services into one single interface. Usually in less than a second, messages are sent and received over the instant messaging network. With Triage messaging, you can send and receive from as many NinjaTrader applications as you desire. You can organize your streaming NinjaTrader communications across messaging windows from your indicators, strategies, and applications. With Triage messaging, By sending data over multiple instant messaging networks, you can ensure immediate delivery and no lost messages. Triage Messaging IM keeps your NinjaTrader connected effortlessly anywhere you have an internet connection. Sending an IM from NinjaTrader to your mobile phone. In this example, we're going to send messages from NinjaTrader to ICQ, AOL, and MSN Mobile on my cell phone. Mobile IM is one of the best ways to get streaming messages from NinjaTrader everywhere you go. There are currently dozens of mobile IM apps that can be found for most cell phones, smartphones, and PDAs. Let's add a few lines of mobile messaging code, compile it, and then add it to a chart. You can connect your mobile phone to any phone network or Wi-Fi connection, as instant messengers require very little bandwidth. As soon as we add our indicator to our chart, a mobile message is sent to our IM, and within seconds, it is received on my cell phone. MSN, AOL, and ICQ, they all get the message. With a steady stream of information from NinjaTrader, you'll always know what's going on in the markets. Whether at an important meeting, walking down the street, at a restaurant, your daughter's recital, or the 18th hole, you're connected to your trading platform anytime and anywhere. Real-time instant messaging for your critical alerts. Let's try sending real-time messages to my browser, cell phone, and desktop IM applications. In this example, I'm going to show you NinjaTrader sending messages when a single chart event is triggered. The two events are when the close is greater than or less than the high and low of the previous bar. When we add the indicator to a chart, NinjaTrader continuously watches for our market event. As our chart event triggers, our message is sent across the instant messaging networks. A second later, messages are received at MSN Google ICQ on Meebo, AOL Messenger on my cell phone, and on Yahoo Messenger on my desktop. Let's take a moment and watch as more chart events are triggered. Triage messaging is a great way to know how your automated trading is going while you're away. Get critical information when it happens and matters most. Send messages to your Twitter and Facebook from NinjaTrader. Most people access their Twitter and Facebook social networking pages from either an internet browser or an application such as TweetDeck. I created a chart event that will send to both Twitter and Facebook once triggered. With Triage messaging, you can send to as many Twitter and Facebook accounts as you want. Social publishing of your NinjaTrader trades and alerts has never been easier. As our indicator runs, we wait for the chart event to trigger. Once triggered, a message is sent to both Twitter and Facebook. I hit refresh, and we see both my Facebook and Twitter pages have updated with my NinjaTrader message. And to our upper right-hand corner of my desktop, a TweetDeck notification tells me I have new messages at Twitter and Facebook. You can set TweetDeck to update continuously throughout your trading day. NinjaTrader, Triage messaging, and social publishing. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Creating RSS news feeds from your NinjaTrader. In this example, we're going to send messages to the Triage web service. In my NinjaTrader code, I simply choose the web as my messaging service and enter my username. The Triage web service allows you to retrieve a message history and an RSS feed. When our chart event triggers, a message is sent to the Triage web server. On my desktop tray icon, I can review all my messages sent to the Triage web server. This message log is continuously updated and can be auto-refreshed. You can review your message log as a journal of your trading day. Now, let's go to the Triage website at triagetrading.com. Let's click on the link, My Account, and log in. On our account page, pick the link called Message History. Here, you can review all the messages sent to the Triage web server. Now, click on the link Message RSS. This is your RSS news feed for all your web messages. On my computer, I run an RSS newsfeed called FeedReader. FeedReader can continuously update from the RSS message feeds at triagetrading.com. And if you're a person on the go, you can fetch your RSS feeds with mobile readers such as Newsbreak. And best of all, since RSS is a standard specification, you can import it into blogs, forums, and other publishing services. Sending messages from NinjaTrader while at co-located servers. In this example, I started an Amazon EC2 virtual server hosted on the East Coast of the United States. I'm logging in with Windows Remote Desktop from Hong Kong, halfway across the world. I added NinjaTrader code to send messages to Twitter, Yahoo, AOL, and my cell phone after chart events trigger. We add the indicator and watch for the first chart event to trigger. As you can see, the round trip for my message from the East Coast of the United States to Hong Kong took less than a second. And just right now, our phone event triggered.
Critical alert.
Now, let's take a quick look at all our messages being journaled at Twitter. Never miss another market opportunity again with Triage messaging. Sending emails from NinjaTrader. In this example, we'll send an email to my Gmail account, and then we'll fetch it from my cell phone. Triage email service bypasses your ISP's SMTP mail server and is always available. We'll add a couple lines of code with my email address and then compile it and add it to a chart. When our chart event triggers, an email is sent immediately from NinjaTrader to my Gmail account. The first time I received a Triage email, I'm asked to verify that I do in fact want to receive this email. This is to prevent spammers from sending emails through the Triage email system. And if you look to the right, our email has already arrived at our mobile phone. For those of you who get emails blocked by your internet service providers or often find slow delivery of your emails, the Triage email service is easy and reliable.